addicted with this. This is my first thingy. A brown one. Ganda nito. Dapat pala ganito. Like, hindi siya sobrang, ay, ganun. Ano yan yung, hindi sila pantay. It's good na hindi sila pantay. Kasi look na pantay sila. Doesn't look good at all. Pero ito, yellow pantay na pantay sila. So, nakakreate na ako ng brown. And then I also have a yellow one. Like here. Brown and a yellow one. Yeah. And I'm still after having this one and this one. Kung sobrang pantay na, pinagpupo talaga siya. Anyways, I'm also working on this thing. White and black naman. So I'm so addicted to